Hello all, myself Madhvi Navarkar from Kekewak Polytechnic Nasik. Today we are going to see the practical demonstration of subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. Our practical is twinning in 2D animation. For this practical, the course outcome is to develop 2D animation object. Now before practical demonstration, we will see what is twinning. Twinning is a key process in all types of animation. It allows the animator to animate an object without drawing all individual frames of a traditional animation. Basically, there are two types of twinning. First one is motion twin and second one is shape twin. Now, what is motion twin? A motion twin is to move the object from one place to another place. Or we can say motion twin animates the symbols moving in space. That is, when one creates a motion twin, then they can click on one frame in the twin, move the symbol on that frame, and Flash automatically builds a path animating the frames between that frame and the destination frame. The second type is shape twinning. Shape twinning is used to perform the distortion on shapes. If developer creates one shape on one keyframe and another shape on another keyframe, then they can connect these two shapes with a shape twin. The twin will perform whatever calculation and mobs are there, those will be transformed from one shape to another shape. Now we will see the practical demonstration of this twinning. Now see, this is the starting window of Flash. This is the toolbox. This is the working area where you can draw. This is the timeline. This is the color mixer and these are the some properties. Now first we will see the motion twin. Now see, on first keyframe, this is first keyframe, we will take one object, that is circle. Then in motion twin, we have to move this object from first frame to 50th frame. Now just click here, this is the frame. Now just convert this frame to keyframe by using the key F6. Now on first frame, this object is here, and on 50th frame, just move this object here. Now we have to move this object using motion twinning. So for giving this motion twin, just right click here and select create motion twin. Now you can see the arrow from first frame to 50th frame. Now you want to see the output, then just go to first frame, that is the source frame, and click enter. Now see, this is the motion twinning. The object is moving from one place to another place. Now save this by using the name motion twin. Now we will see the second type, that is shape twin. So click the new document, that is Flash document. Now shape twin means we want two shapes. Suppose on first frame we take circle, and on 60th frame that will be the keyframe, then just move this circle to 60th frame. Now on the 60th frame we want the rectangle. Now suppose I had taken the rectangle. Means what is happening, on first frame we have the circle and on 60th frame we have the rectangle. Means during this frames we want to change from circle to rectangle. Now for giving the shape twin, just left click here, then go to this property, that is arrow, and click the properties. See, there is one twin option. By default it is none. Just select the shape twin. Means you have applied the shape twinning. Now you want to see the output, just click on first frame and press enter. Now see how it is going to change the color also and the shape also. So in shape twinning it had changed the color calculations and the morphs of that particular shape. Then just save this using the name as shape twin. So in this practical we have seen how to perform the motion twin and shape twin. Thank you.